T-bandage. For making it, we required gauze, adhesive tape, and cotton pads. These bandages are used to secure dressing to parts which do not lend themselves to roller bandage application. The T-bandage is a T-shaped bandage consisting of a vertical strips of material or pinned to the center of horizontal strips. T-bandage consists of two strips of flannel about 4-inch wide, stitches together in the form of T. This bandage may be used as a scalp, eye, ear, or in perineum. So stitches together in the form of T. You can place cotton pads over vertical strip. Secure the cotton pads and apply one sterile gauze over it. The horizontal strip is made long enough to pass round the body, and the vertical strip is passed between the legs. It is then pinned to the horizontal strip to keep perineal dressing in position. Or either you can tie both the horizontal strip togetherly and tie both the vertical strips over the horizontal strips.